Hello, everyone. We just wanted to take a moment to explain how world history is going to work during the school closure.
At this time, you do not have to worry about the common assessment that had been scheduled for the 19th. You don't have to worry about the last day for redos and the late work that was scheduled for the 17th. The common assessment will not be done while you're at home, and it will not happen for at least the first 3 days that we're back. We want to make sure that we see you and that we have time to review before an assessment. As for late work and redos, once we have a finalized date that we're going to return to school, then we will schedule the final date for late work and redos.
All right, so how class is going to run. Make sure you check onto the Google Classroom every day. There will be an assignment posted either by myself or Ms. Janak, and there will be directions there to help you understand what exactly you need to do. Make sure you submit the work each day. This is how we plan on doing attendance. Submit it by 3 o'clock. I know on the last day of school, we gave some different answers there. It is 3 o'clock. Even if the work is not completed, and it needs to show that you've worked for at least 30 minutes on it. And again, to remember to submit your work, that means you hit the blue turn it in button. If you have any questions, email us. We'll be by our computers from 8 to 12, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And lastly, do not mark the teacher comments as resolved or delete them when work is handed back to you that you fix. Leave them there and make the corrections, additions, or deletions, um, and then hit submit by turning it in.
Just for our last slide, we just wanted to give you a reminder of here's what the flexible schedule looks like. Like we said, we'll be available from 8 a.m. to noon. So if you are logging in and working on the assignment during the time that is listed for your class period, we'll be available to take questions. You can send us email or we'll be looking at comments on Google Classroom as well.